Hey guys, so today I have a U-part wig and this is surprisingly Waterwave. So the company I'm working with is called Supernovahair. I did work with them, I'd say maybe all of 3 times. So this time they decided to send me that. It's gonna be interesting. So my natural curl pattern is curly. Now, personally, I haven't been taking care of my natural hair. I haven't been, doing masks or anything of that sort. And I also did a texturizer last year around this time. So my curls are kind of gone, but we're going to try our best to blend this. So here is the box that the hair came in. It's in a really cute package with eyelashes. And the wig, it is 24 inches. So they also sent some other goodies. One second. So they sent a pretty purple storage bag. It says Supernova. They sent this, which is an elastic band if I needed it. Then they sent a head wrap, which says Supernova on it. It's purple and it's silk. Really cute. Then they also sent this like grip. I've seen this. It's like a wig type of grip where you don't have to like apply glue or anything. So I definitely am going to try that out. Also they gave me an edge brush. So thank you guys for those little gifts. For the sake of this little video, I did wear this hair over the past weekend. I'm talking about slept with it, everything you can imagine, and I am not disappointed, you guys. I am not disappointed at all. So this is the wig. Really pretty curls. Now we're gonna try to match this with this, so let's just see what happens. Hoping it works. So firstly, it has 3 combs at the top, 2 on the side, and then 1 at the bottom. Now right off the bat, I will say I don't like how little these combs are, but that's not an issue. If you can sew and stuff, you can just replace them with like bigger ones. These are just like mini clips. So this is how much hair I have out. My sister did braid my hair, if you guys can see. Don't really want to turn around because I don't know what's back there, but yeah, that's my braiding pattern. And this is what's out. I did have her leave some baby hair out because I like to do that type of stuff. So first things we're gonna do, we're going to, if you guys see flying, like little stuff flying, it's because I've been putting gel in this hair all weekend. I actually have to take these braids on and wash it. But I had to get a couple of videos out of the way before I could fully take my braids down, because tracking my sister down is just not gonna work. Like it's hard and I don't know how to braid, so yeah. So we're gonna braid this off to the side, not worry about none of this. Keep this forward. I'm gonna take our wig, make sure all the combs are unclipped. So literally clip it, clip it, clip it, clip. And then we're going to take this and we're going to clip, and then we're going to take the sides and we're also going to clip. So give me a second. Now it does have adjustable straps, so that is a plus. So you can have it tighter if you want. I will say it's big head friendly. I believe it's big head friendly because I have some room, but I didn't touch the straps. So this is how it's looking. Y'all, the background is just wow, very ghetto. Now the background's ghetto, but we're not gonna focus on that. So here we go, boom. And all right, firstly, I'm going to, should I wet this hair? So first I'm gonna wet this hair just to make everything a little bit more manageable and show you guys the curl first, and then try to, put mine with it. And it did work somewhat over the weekend, so we're just gonna see. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's getting a little curlier. Well, it's looking less dry because it's looking very dry on this side. But here you go. Now I do want to add just a little bit of Eco Gel just to keep those curls, There we go, super pretty. Let me get closer. Ew, my hair is so ugly. This is the curl pattern though, really nice. So now I'm gonna do the other side and then try to blend my hair, which should be fun. Okay, now I got both sides wet and now it's operation get my hair to look the same and figure out parting. So what I'm gonna do firstly, y'all can see the top. I could do a middle, period. I could do a side. Side kind of gave me a headache last time because I just, the hair wasn't meeting up with mine, and it just, you could see my hair, you know, was my hair. So I think I'm gonna do a side part just for the purpose to show you guys that you can do the side part. So I'm just gonna lower this a little. Then I'm gonna part probably right here. Boom. Okay, we got the hair parted, and just kind of spread it around the tracks in the back. So you got your side part, period. Because I know my hair, firstly I'm gonna just wet it to get the little bit of curl that it does have left. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So as you guys can see, it's, you know, it's getting there. Just need to add a little bit of gel. Now, I will say over the weekend, what I did was I kind of went there with the leave out part of my hair, kind of like in little twists, and I added Eco Gel, and I let that sit for maybe like 3 hours until I got ready, and it looked really, really good. But I think if I would have made it just a little smaller, it probably would have blended. Now, you probably can use rollers, like really tiny rollers for this. Also, if your hair isn't really curly, similar to mine. Now, as y'all can see, I have a lot of heat damage and stuff, but we're gonna have a whole nother video on my natural hair. So I'm just taking some gel, and we're just gonna scrunch it up. We're gonna fake it till we make it. And I have noticed that brushing it out with you know, this little comb, that brush that I got, it kind of not makes it blend, but it, you know, makes it look somewhat better. So I'm just gonna firstly separate that. We're gonna brush, make sure the top is covered, and then boom. A lot of scrunching, you know, when your hair doesn't technically match. Now, I'm gonna add baby hairs off my camera because my camera's starting to overheat, and then I will be back on to talk and just, you know, kind of go over my thoughts and whether I think you guys should get this wig. Now, as you're looking, you can definitely tell it's not blended, but like I said, I'll have to try this with rollers or something of that sort. Just a lot of scrunching, and yeah, so I'm gonna do my baby hairs and I will be back. All right, you guys, so I think we got a little bit something going on. I just think that I need the little curling rods. So I'm gonna have to go to the beauty store and invest in those because this hair is so cute. Like, the more I wear it, the more I think it's cuter. Like, the weekend I was just like, this is my hair, but then I was going out and stuff, so my real hair was kind of drying up, but I like it. Like, if I get some nice moisture in and like put some little wands in it before I go to sleep, I think it will be a hit, period. So let's see. Now, obviously my hair is not Waterwave, so I would have to figure out how I'm gonna wrap it around, you know, like the actual rod. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna play with some stuff while I got this wig. So this is the full density. Firstly, let's talk about the wig because I don't think I talked about the wig at all. So it says glueless U-part wig Waterwave. So I got 24 inches, and I really like it. Like I said, I did my baby hairs, and I did add some concealer to my part just to give it some definition off camera. So it's available in 12 through 28 inches. So basically it comes, you know, with those two little bands, and you cut it and then you add it on, and that's pretty much it. Now, I have gotten some tangling, but only when it's super dry. Like if I go to sleep and like just knot it up because I'm sleeping wild. Of course, it's curly hair, it's long, so expect that, but it's nothing crazy. It's definitely manageable. Detangling it in the shower or adding some conditioner and water will take care of it. Now, I really am obsessed with this, y'all, because it gives me, this is my real hair. I'm getting like chilly vibes though from TLC. I don't know if that's just me, but really cute. So yes, this is from Supernovahair. I don't want to talk too much, but I'm just gonna do a little, I guess, 360 for the people wondering how it looks in the back. Now the back might be a little bit dry because of me, because I didn't get back there, but really long, full enough. I think it looks absolutely pretty. What you can do in the weekend, I was kind of just swooping it behind my ear like that. So it's really cute and versatile. Like, you probably could even figure out a way to do some half up, half down. I'm not sure. Yes, that's my sort of like show and not review, but show and tell how I get, you know, this hair to blend with mine. Now I will figure out better techniques and I will do a part 2 if you guys are interested. But I'm definitely gonna go buy some of those rods because as of now I'm not selling this or anything. I really am feeling the wig. I love curly hair, especially long curly hair. Waterwave is my favorite pattern, so this isn't going anywhere. But if you guys are interested in it, then please check the link out in the description. And like always, I love you guys. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And I will see y'all in the next video.